eventually.
Come on, bitch.
It's cooking.
Huh?
It's cooking.
There it goes. See, the lid's gonna pop off.
Nope.
Shit.
That one was loud.